Setting up a password manager doesn't have to be confusing. In this beginner-friendly 1Password tutorial 2026, I'll guide you through the setup step by step and share easy tips on how to keep your passwords and accounts safe for the long haul. Alright, how to use 1Password. Step 1 is getting a subscription. There are a couple of different plans available. The individual option offers all the features I'm about to go over, and the 1Password for Families plan includes accounts for up to 5 members. The QR code on screen and the link in the description are the best places to get 1Password since they come with a big discount. Once you've purchased your plan, step 2 in this 1Password tutorial is to download and install the app. If you're on desktop, you can do this directly from the official website. Simply select which device you're downloading it on, and just like with any other app installation, continue clicking the agree and next buttons as they pop up. Now it's time to register your account and create a master password. Enter your personal details into the required fields, and since this master password protects your entire account and all that data inside it, I recommend making it as strong as possible. Feel free to use a mix of complex symbols, numbers, letter cases, and even phrases to help keep everything secure. To add an extra layer of protection while logging in, 1Password provides all users with a secret key. Alongside your master password, this 34-character string needs to be entered each time you log into a new device. There's no need to memorize it though, since it's included in the emergency kit PDF. My personal security tip here is to print it out and store it in a safe place at home, or keep it in an encrypted cloud storage. Another 1Password app security tip I have is to turn on 2FA wherever it's available and save your backup codes or recovery keys inside of 1Password rather than in your Notes app or a screenshot. If you're looking for all-around safety, I'd also advise against staying logged into 1Password longer than necessary. The app even includes an auto-lock feature that lets you preset a time duration before you're automatically logged out. Now that we've completed the security portion of this 1Password setup, let's import all your passwords from other managers and browsers. From your dashboard, navigate to the 3-dot icon, then click Import. You'll be shown a list of places you can import passwords from. For example, you can select Chrome and then click Add File and choose the CSV file you want to import. From there, simply choose a vault to store these passwords in and press Import. You're free to make any changes afterward by clicking the Edit button. This process is similar when importing passwords from other password managers, although the method of exporting password entries can vary from one tool to another. As a bonus security tip, be sure to turn off password saving and autofill in your browser settings, and delete any existing passwords from the browser's password section, as well as from other password managers. Aside from transferring your current passwords, another important thing to learn from today's 1Password tutorial for beginners is how to add new password entries. There are templates available for this, so simply navigate to New Item and select a category. Next, enter your information, and if you want to use the strongest possible password, I recommend using the drop-down password generator function. This lets you adjust the strength, length, and complexity of the password, keeping your credentials significantly safer. Once the password strength indicator confirms it's strong enough, hit save, and the entry will appear in the All Categories section. From there, you can add it to a vault, which acts as a categorized folder to keep your passwords neat and organized. To do this, go to the Vaults tab on the left side of the dashboard and click the plus button. Choose a name for the vault like Work or Streaming, and you'll be able to drag and drop any relevant passwords from all categories directly into it. Remember, anything you store within the app is protected by a layer of encryption, making it completely unreadable to outside parties. And since 1Password uses a zero-knowledge architecture to secure this data, no one, not even company employees, can ever access it. My main security tips when creating a password entry are to always use the password generator to ensure you're getting the strongest and most unique credentials. Replace old passwords with updated and stronger alternatives, and clean up any old or unused accounts. Another function 1Password comes with is the ability to securely share your passwords, even if the recipients aren't 1Password members. Just choose the password you'd like to share, then press the share button. The next pop-up screen lets you customize the details, including when the link will expire and who it's available to. From there, all that's left to do is copy and send the link. This method is much safer than sending credentials through a risky messaging app, and it's even more secure when you always set an expiration time on each link. If this feature sounds like something you'll use often, the 1Password family plan may be right up your alley. With this subscription, you can also share entire vaults and manage access for different members. I found these features to be especially useful, and they definitely help make 1Password one of the best password managers for families. If you'd like to grab a 1Password family plan for yourself, scan the QR code on screen or use the link in the description to get the lowest possible price. Next up in our 1Password guide, it's time to install the browser extension. This works like a mini version of the main app and gives you access to handy features like autosave and autofill. For example, if you want to install the extension on Chrome, head to the Chrome Web Store and select Add to Chrome. When prompted, choose Add Extension, and you should now see the 1Password icon in your browser. If you'd like to pin it, click the puzzle piece icon and select 1Password from the drop-down menu. Then press the pin icon next to the extension name. From there, you can log in just as you would with the desktop app. From now on, whenever you log into an account for the first time, 1Password will prompt you to save the credentials. This stores the information directly in the app and automatically autofills everything the next time you log in. If you're looking for an alternative login method that adds an extra boost of security, then passkeys are also available on select websites. This option requires a biometric method or secondary code to log in and confirms that both your server and device are valid before granting account access. To set this up, go to a site that supports passkeys. Click Create a Passkey and continue logging in as usual. When a passkey pop-up appears in the upper right corner, be sure to hit Save. From then on, you'll automatically be offered the option to log in using passkeys. If you prefer to set up passkeys directly through the desktop app, navigate to the Watchtower feature, find the Passkeys Available tab, and click Show Items. A list of supported sites will appear, so simply select the one you want and fill out the information as prompted. Going back to the Watchtower feature, this tool gives you an overview of your passwords, accounts, and overall security status. You can easily spot weak, old, or reused passwords, see which sites don't have two-factor authentication enabled, and review the overall health of your saved entries. Watchtower also guides you through steps to better secure all your credentials. This feature is one of the best ways to make sure your password stays safe on a daily basis. However, if you don't yet have access to an alert feature like this, you can use our free password leak checker in the meantime. It lets you know if your passwords have been leaked so you can take action ASAP. And that link will also be waiting in the description along with today's discounts. Moving on to one of the 1Password features that's exclusive to this provider, privacy cards. These virtual payment cards make checking out online more secure by letting you lock each card to a specific site and limit how much can be spent in advance. To get started, you'll need a privacy.com account connected to your 1Password account. From there, you can create a privacy card directly at the payment section of a website. After clicking the card payment option, you should see a privacy card prompt appear. Fill out the details and hit create and fill when you're done. Regardless of which device you're using, 1Password works across all major operating systems. The interface stays consistent, making it easy to switch between devices, and the app automatically syncs your information. If you'd like a more in-depth 1Password tutorial for other devices like Android or Mac, let me know in the comments. Keep in mind, 1Password offers helpful guides on their website with step-by-step instructions on how to navigate all the app and extension features. There's also 24/7 AI chat support, plus human support via email. And be sure to use the discount links in the description for the best possible deal on either plan. All in all, figuring out how to use 1Password is pretty easy, and it's a great choice for beginner and advanced users alike. For anyone looking for an app that can improve password safety habits while offering plenty of advanced features and customization options, this is an excellent choice. Thanks so much for hanging around, and I'll see you in the next one.